Basically, we just had our hair done by Patrick Cameron. Me and another model called Laurie had our hair done twice, so 2 different styles. Both were quite different. As you can see, this is very Audrey Hepburn, you know, it's really, really something different. He was so gentle, such a lovely person, and didn't make me feel too starstruck, I suppose you could say, and he was such a really, really genuine, nice guy. I love what he did. First one, I would walk down the street and wear it. This one is something I would consider. I'm normally big hair waves, but what he has done and how he has done it is absolutely brilliant. He's definitely converted me, 100%. I'm actually a beautician as well, so it's inspired me to actually want to go and do some hair. And the way he's done it is absolutely fab, so I think he's done really well in making somebody that wasn't interested in hair at all absolutely wanting to go and do a hair course now. So I think he's done really, really well.